How's it going, everybody? It's MRG. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix a major set of audio issues that come from interference between Elgato and your microphone. That would happen to me all the time when I tried to stream on Twitch a while back. I have tested out my microphone in the past when this issue was a major problem for me, and it was never a problem for me recording commentary in my video editor or for any other uses of my microphone. It only happened when I was running my Elgato software and when I was trying to stream on Twitch. I'm also going to play one of the two high-pitched audio distortion sounds. The second one sounds like an airplane engine, or that is as loud as an airplane engine. I'm choosing not to throw that into this video because it's just a little unnecessary. And the reason I'm playing the first sound is so that you guys know what exact issue I'm talking about with this video. If it sounds the same as the issue that you are having right now, then you are at the right video. If it's not, then you need to look for another video for the issue that you're trying to solve. So I'm going to play that now, and then I'm going to get to how you fix the issue. That's what it sounded like. And you can imagine that nobody would really want to stick around for a stream if they heard all that going on. So, the very first thing that you have to do, you have to close your Elgato game capture program. You cannot have it running while you are trying to fix this. Otherwise, you will get this screen that pops up and it won't allow you to change anything because it says that it needs to update, which makes no sense to me still. Anyways, make sure you're not streaming. Make sure you're not running any type of Elgato program while you were trying to fix this. So what you're going to do after that is you are going to go into your settings. You're going to go to sounds. You're going to go to the input section, and then you are going to click on the microphone that you have been using. And then you're going to click on device properties. Once you're on this screen, you're going to adjust the volume. Now, the backstory with this situation for me, I bought a capture card from my buddy down in Texas because my original Elgato HD60 that I had was completely outdated and it started not to work. When I got this one and I set everything up, I started having massive audio issues. I think Elgato just messed something up somehow as soon as I got everything installed. Sometimes freaky shit just happens with technology. I don't know what to tell you because I don't think I changed any of this. But the problem was the audio was jacked up all the way to 100 or past 90. I lowered mine to 40, but it was way too low. So the max that you can set this to without having any audio disruption or distortion, from what I've been testing out myself, is about 80%. If you set it to 90, you are going to have that high-pitched whistle sound that you guys just heard, along with the buzzing. And if you set it to 100, then you are going to hear an airplane engine as soon as you run the Elgato software. And your eardrums are going to be rupturing. Even if you have the overall speaker volume only set to 20%, it's still going to sound like an airplane engine. So yeah, the max that you can do, in my opinion, is about 80 without getting any audio disruptions. I'm not sure what mine was set to originally before I got this new capture card and the new software installed, but 60 to 80% is really where you want to be. I hope this helped you guys out because I spent a couple hours working on this for myself and I could not figure out what the hell the problem was originally because I thought the problem was through Twitch. It just kind of happened on its own. Still not sure what exactly caused this to happen, but that's how you fix it. Anyways, I hope this helps you guys out and feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.